Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check save number on Google account on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you have previously saved your contact number to your Google account, then don't need to be worried because the number will be saved in your Google account. And if at any time you want to see which numbers have been saved, you can check it easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can scroll down, and here now you can go to Google and you can manage your Google account. And then after that, now you can find people and sharing, and after that here now you can find contacts, and all of saved contact on your Google will display here. Alright guys, so yeah, it easy right, and here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.